Dad, you sing like a broken radio. Just saying.
Broken radio? I am a professional singer, young man.
I am eating. Look how fast! I am a champion! Daddy, I see a cow, a big brown cow. Look, Daddy, look at the big cow. That is not special, Lily. There are cows everywhere. Grandpa went back?
Captain lived with us for 12 years. Your father cried the most when Captain died.
Good morning, good morning. Beautiful day today.
Something smells really good, Sarah.
Pancakes. Your favorite ones with honey.
You are the best mom in the whole world.
Laugh softly.
I'm coming! Here I come! Wow, look at this! This is amazing! Pancakes! Pancakes! Yes! I love pancakes so much! Mama, is breakfast ready? My tummy is talking.
Yes, sweetheart. Just a moment. Your tummy is talking? What is it saying?
It is saying, feed me right now.
Ha! That is the funniest thing I heard today.
Dad, can we do something fun today? Please?
Well, let's see. Actually, yes, I have a good idea today.
Oh. What is this idea, James?
Let us drive to Grandma's farm today.
Yes! Grandma's farm! The chickens! The big red barn! And Grandma makes apple pie. I love apple pie.
Okay, but everyone must eat breakfast first. Sit down, Liam. I am sitting. See? Very fast. Very good boy.
He sat down. That is already a miracle today. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Dad.
Waffles. Sleep well, honey?
Dad, will there be baby animals at the farm?
Maybe. Grandma said there is a new baby lamb.
A baby lamb? Oh, I want to hold it. I want to ride the horse. Can I, Dad?
We will see. First ton, eat your pancakes, cowboy.
I am eating. Look how fast! I am a champion!
This is going to be a wonderful day, James. Yes.
A perfect family day. I can feel it.
Mama, can I bring my rabbit to Grandma's farm?
Your stuffed rabbit? Of course, sweetheart. He can come.
See? We are going on an adventure today, Bunny. Bunny is not real, Lily. He cannot hear you. He is real. He hears everything. Be nice, Liam.
Son, never argue with a 6-year-old about her rabbit.
Why not, Dad?
You will never win. Trust me on that.
I'm ready. Are you sure? Okay, everyone, get dressed. We leave in 30 minutes.
30 minutes. I will be ready in 5 minutes. Laughter below. Bunny needs to get dressed too. It will take longer.
I saw that.
I know. We really get it. We really do.
La la la. Beautiful day. La la la.
Dad, you sing like a broken radio. Just saying.
Broken radio? I am a professional singer, young man.
James, sweetheart, maybe just drive. No singing today.
Nobody appreciates real talent in this family. Nobody.
Daddy, I see a cow, a big brown cow. Look, Daddy, look at the big cow. That is not special, Lily. There are cows everywhere. Hello, cow. Hello. We are going to Grandma's farm.
I think the cow heard you, Lily.
Good. Everyone should know where we are going today.
James! James, stop the car! Stop right now!
What? What is wrong? Are you okay?
Look, over there, by the big tree. Do you see? Look! What is it? Oh no!
What is it? I do not see anything. Where, Mom? Oh no. It is a dog.
Oh, wow. That dog looks really, really bad.
Poor thing. It is so thin. Look how thin it is.
Sarah, wait. We do not know that dog.
James, it is just a scared little dog. Look at it.
Mama, is the dog crying? Dogs do not cry, Lily. They just look like that. But his eyes look like mine when I am sad.
He is really thin, Sarah. Poor little guy.
I know.
He looks so hungry. Hello, baby. Hello. It is okay. We will not hurt you.
Dad, his tail moved. He likes us.
Stay calm, son. Slow movements. Do not scare him.
Can we take him home? Please? Can we keep him?
James. No.
No. We cannot keep a stray dog. It is not safe.
But Dad, he has nobody. He is all alone.
Liam, we do not know where this dog came from.
He could be sick. He needs a doctor first. So we just leave him here? Under this tree? Alone? Bunny! Tuihansantat, that dog is just like you were before.
What do you mean, Lily?
Before I found Bunny in the toy store, he was alone. Nobody wanted him. He was on the bottom shelf.
She is 6 years old.
But I picked him, and now he is loved. James.
Sarah, we are not keeping a stray dog. Final answer.
You are right. Let us find him some food at least.
We have sandwich bags in the car. Can I give him?
Okay. One piece, small piece, then we move on. Here, boy. Here. I will not hurt you. I promise.
Dad, he is eating from my hand. D-A-D.
I see, son. I see.
It's so good to have you home, boy. We missed you so much.
Let's get going. Dinner's waiting.
We cannot just leave him here now, James.
Sarah, we talked about this. We said no.
But he ate from my hand, Dad. He trusts me. His fur is all dirty. He needs a bath so badly.
Okay, everyone listen to me right now. Listen. We are not keeping this dog. But we will help. We will take him to a shelter. A safe place.
A shelter? But shelters are sad places, Dad.
Some shelters are very good, Liam. They help animals.
Do not be scared. A shelter is like a hotel for dogs. Lily, it is not a hotel. It is more like a hospital.
Okay. A hospital hotel. That sounds even better.
Hospital hotel. Sure, let us go with that.
It's all right, little one. I've got you now.
James, you are picking him up.
I am just helping him to the car. That is all. Do not read too much into this, Sarah.
not. Just helping. Totally normal.
He is shaking, Dad. Why is he shaking?
He is scared, son. Everything is new and strange to him.
Just keep your hand on him, Liam. Let him feel safe.
It is okay, boy. We are good people, I promise.
Does he have a name? Every dog needs a name. He looks like a biscuit. Yes, Biscuit. Biscuit! That is the perfect name. Hello, Biscuit! We are not naming him. We are taking him to a shelter. But Mama, he already has a name now. It is Biscuit. Once you name something, Gall, it is yours forever. Everybody knows that.
I said nothing. I am just driving.
Here we are, Happy Paws. It's so cute. Careful, buddy. Just a little further.
Oh my goodness! Who is this little one? This is Biscuit. He was alone under a big tree.
He is malnourished, thin, but his eyes are bright and strong.
Will he be okay?
Yes, I believe he will.
With good food and care pad, yes, absolutely. He will be fine.
See, Biscuit? The doctor says you will be fine.
Are you his owner, little one?
We found him, but Daddy said no, so not yet.
He is a very gentle dog, about 2 years old. He has no chip, no owner registered anywhere.
So he has nobody? Nobody. He will stay here until someone adopts him.
What if nobody adopts him? What happens then?
Someone will adopt him, Liam. He is a good dog. Would you like to leave your contact number?
In case things change. No pressure at all.
Sure.
Write down our number. Just in case.
Just in case? Dad, that means maybe yais.
It means just in case. That is all it means.
Just in case means yes. Daddies always say just in case.
He is saying goodbye, Dad.
Or maybe he is saying go, please come back.
You okay?
Let us go to Grandma's farm.
All right, kids, we're here.
Oh, it's just as beautiful as I remember.
Wow, look at the chickens. Let's go see Grandma.
My babies! Come in! Apple pie is ready!
Hi, Grandma. We found a dog today. His name is Biscuit. We left him at the shelter. Dad said no. Tell me about this Biscuit.
He's the best. He saved us.
He was under a big tree, Grandma, alone and wet. He was shaking, but he ate from my hand. He trusted me.
Your father said the same thing once. Do you remember?
What are you talking about?
You were 7 years old. You found a dog in the rain. A dirty little dog behind the school. You carried him home. Your father said absolutely not. No stray dogs in this house.
I remember that dog. His name was Captain.
You cried for 3 days, James. 3 whole days. Then your father went back to that school, found Captain, brought him home.
Grandpa went back?
Captain lived with us for 12 years. Your father cried the most when Captain died.
James, it is okay to feel something.
I do not want to make a decision we regret. måste med dagen.
What if he becomes the best thing that ever happened to us?
When Biscuit put his paw on the glass door, I felt something here. Like H.E. was the one taking care of me. Daddy, Bunny was alone too, on the bottom shelf. Nobody wanted him. He was dusty and forgotten. Biscuit has love inside too, Daddy. I can see it.
When did our kids become wiser than us? Whatever you decide,
We decide together.
as a family. About 3 years ago, I noticed. You were busy. Hello? Yes, this is James. We were at Happy Paws today. We brought in a small dog, Brown, about 2 years old.
Yes, we called him Biscuit.
Great, we will be there first thing tomorrow morning.
We're here. Let's go!
Hurry, hurry! I see the sign.
Come on, kids, let's go get him.
Faster, Dad. I see him.
Yes, there he is.
Biscuit.
Look, he's here.
Hello, sweet boy.
Hi, Biscuit.
He's so happy.
Biscuit! Biscuit, we came back! We came back for you!
Biscuit, Biscuit.
I had good teachers. A 6-year-old and an 8-year-old.
Play fetch.
Okay, Biscuit, catch!
Over here, boy.
Good dog.
You know, I almost said no. I almost drove away. But sometimes the right thing finds you on the road. You just have to be willing to stop the car. Have you ever wanted to help someone cow, but someone said no?
Tell us in the comments.
Lily said something that stayed with me. She said, Biscuit has love inside. Do you believe every living thing has love inside?